butter. This is really easy way to make a meal. You can serve with the grape or any other fruit or salad. Put on a grill. Butter on top. Spread the butter all over the other side of the sandwich and close the lid for 1 or 2 minutes. I'm gonna check on my sandwich. Wow, looks delicious. It takes me a minute or 2, minute and a half. Okay, our sandwich. You see this cheese all melted? Look at that. I'm gonna cut the sandwich. So good. Grab a plate. Irresistible. Can't stand it. I gotta try one. I can't stand it.